On top with tori for today, Presido Buhari don do security meeting with security chiefs. Dis one na the first security meeting wey Presido Muhammadu Buhari dey do with security chiefs since year 2020 start, as the last meeting wey shele between security chiefs and Naija Presido shele for December 30th, 2019. Dis meeting na to sabi wetin armed forces for Naija and other security personnel dey do to make sure say Naija dey secure so that anybody no go fit do anyhow on top the country security. Chief of Air Staff Air Marshal Sadiq Abubakar, wey na im come follow tori pipo talk after the meeting concerning wetin dem discuss, talk say the equipment wey Naija armed forces go use take ensure Naija security go land for the country by February ending. Air Marshal Abubakar come talk say Naija security personnel dey work well with other countries on top Lake Chad Basin matter to make sure say Boko Haram matter end patapata.
We are satisfied with the progress we are making. We are satisfied with the support that the federal government is giving the armed forces and other security agencies in terms of procurement of platforms. Substantial number of this equipment are expected by the end of February. Some of the equipment we are acquiring have started arriving. For the Nigerian Air Force, 2 helicopter gunships have arrived on the 15th of January. What we want to do here is to reassure Nigerians that the armed forces of Nigeria and indeed security and intelligence agencies in Nigeria are going to continue to work round the clock to ensure that our country is secured and to ensure that nobody undermines the territorial integrity of and national sovereignty of Nigeria.
E still tok say wetin dem need na make state governments, local governments and Naija people join hand together to make sure say Naija dey secure well well.
Our appeal is for all Nigerians and other stakeholders to join hands with the armed forces of Nigeria and other security and intelligence agencies to ensure that our country is secured, rather than looking at other methods that are likely going to negate the national policing and community policing policy that the federal government has approved.
Na here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. On top say Presido Muhammadu Buhari don do security meeting with Naija security chiefs. Make una sabi say na T Live Media na carry this ogbonge informate come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Like and follow us for Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.